In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in MetaTrader 5. The most important thing to know is this. In regular MetaTrader 5 use, you usually can't manually change the chart time zone inside the platform. MetaQuotes' official help says times for quotes, orders, and trades are shown according to the broker's trading server time, not your personal local time. So if you open MT5 and the chart time looks different from your local clock, that is normally because your broker's server is using a different time zone. In other words, the time you see on charts is controlled by the broker, not by a simple setting inside MetaTrader 5. Forum guidance from the MQL5 community moderators also says the broker server time cannot be changed by the user. If your goal is just to work more comfortably, you have two practical options. One option is to keep using the broker's server time and mentally adjust it to your local time. The other option is to choose a broker whose server time better matches the time zone you prefer. There is one exception worth knowing. MetaTrader 5 does have a time shift setting when importing data for custom symbols, but that is for imported data handling, not for changing the normal live chart time of your broker account. So the short answer is simple. You do not normally change the time zone in MetaTrader 5 yourself. The platform follows your broker's server time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.